Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of zero-waste living. If you're looking to reduce your environmental impact and embrace a more sustainable lifestyle, you're in the right place. Let's explore some practical tips to minimize waste in your home and create DIY alternatives to common household items. Tip number 1. Say goodbye to single-use plastic bags. Instead, opt for reusable shopping bags. You can easily keep a few in your car or by your front door, so you never forget them when you head out. Next up, bulk shopping. Many stores offer bulk bins for grains, nuts, and snacks. Bring your own jars or cloth bags to fill up, cutting down on packaging waste. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it often saves you money too. Now let's talk cleaning. Instead of buying commercial cleaners that come in plastic bottles, why not make your own? A simple, all-purpose cleaner can be made with just vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. Just mix 1 part vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle and you're good to go. Speaking of DIY, here's a great recipe for laundry detergent. You'll need washing soda, borax, and a bar of soap. Grate the soap and mix it with equal parts of washing soda and borax. Store it in a jar and use about 2 tablespoons per load. It's effective and reduces packaging waste. Tip number 4. Ditch paper towels. Instead, switch to reusable cloths or old t-shirts cut into rags. They're just as effective for cleaning, and you can wash and reuse them endlessly. Hydration is key, but plastic water bottles are a huge waste. Invest in a high-quality reusable water bottle. Not only will you reduce plastic waste, but you'll also save money on bottled water over time. In the bathroom, consider switching to bar soap instead of liquid soap in plastic bottles. You can find bar soaps that are natural and packaged in paper or cardboard. Pair that with a safety razor instead of disposable razors to further cut down on waste. Another fantastic alternative is beeswax wraps. Use these to cover food instead of plastic wrap. They're reusable, compostable, and come in beautiful designs. If you're vegan, you can also find plant-based alternatives. Tip number 8. Composting. Set up a small compost bin for food scraps. This reduces waste and creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's a win-win for your plants and the planet. And finally, keep track of your progress. Start a waste journal to see where you can improve. It's motivating to see how much waste you're reducing over time. So there you have it. Simple tips for reducing waste in your everyday life. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Even small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Let's work together to create a more sustainable future.